Dear students, today we are going to explain the one of the most important unit from your syllabus, that is the chemistry part first of class 12. Unit second, that unit second is nothing but the solutions. Name of that unit is solutions. Then what is meant by solution? That we have to see in the introduction. Then we have to see the different types of solutions regarding it. Then first of all, try to understand what is meant by solution. Consider this is one of the beaker. In this beaker, we are taking the 100 ml of water and we are adding 2 gram of the sugar in it. Then it gives a sugar solution. What does it mean? Whenever in this case there are two substances, one is sugar and another is water. Whenever two or more than two substances mix with each other, then solution is forming. Means what? Solution is nothing but a mixture of two or more than two substances in the different compositions or the proportions. In this case, one substance is in a lesser quantity and another is in a larger quantity. The substance which is in a larger quantity, it is 100 ml, it is 2 gram, hence it is a larger quantity. The substance which is in a larger quantity, that is called solvent, and substance which is in a lesser quantity, that is called solute. Means these are the two constituent parts or the components of the solution. One is acting as a solute and another is acting as a solvent. There are different possibilities. One or more than one solutes may be added to the solvent, but amongst of all these components, the component which is in a larger quantity, that is called solvent, and the component which is in a lesser quantity, that is called solute. In this way, whenever two or more than two substances mix with each other, then solution is generated or solution is formed. Such solutions are we are observing in our routine life. For example, brass is one of the mixture or the solution in which copper and zinc are present. Then the other German silver is another solution in which copper, zinc and nickel is present. Then bronze is also another example of solution in which copper and tin is present. Means these are the different examples of the solutions. A pure substance which are not in direct use of the routine purposes, but that pure substance, we can't say that pure substance as a solution, being that substance is having only one type of atoms or molecules. For example, pure sodium metal which having only one type of atoms or only one element in it, hence that doesn't acting as a solution. Solution means what? Whenever two or more than two substances are mixing with each other, then a solution is forming. Then the other examples, chloride ions are also present in the water that can prevent the tooth decay by the concentration of 1 ppm. Whenever chloride ions concentration is 1 ppm parts per million, then it prevents the tooth decay. What is meant by tooth decay? A formation of cavities or some smaller holes to the teeth due to the bacterial infections and so on. That is prevented by the presence of fluoride in the form of ions in the water. whenever its concentration is 1 ppm. But whenever the concentration of fluoride is increasing 1.5 ppm, then it creates the complications. It creates the problems. It will start to mottle the teeth. Means what? Teeth are becoming opaque. Color of the teeth may be changing as yellow, brown to black also. Means whenever the content of the or the concentration of the fluoride increases, it may acting as a poison. For example, sodium fluoride is acting as a rat poison. Means whenever the concentration of fluoride is more, then it may acting as a poison. Then intravenous injections are also used in the medical sciences. That are nothing but the salt solutions of a particular concentration dissolved in the water that are matching with the blood plasma. That are also the solutions. Means the different solutions are present in the surrounding which we are using in routine life. So it is important for us to understand the solutions properly. Solutions are nothing but the mixtures of the two or more than two compounds. But in this unit, we are most concerned with the liquid solutions. So it is better to classify or make their different types or try to understand the different types of the solutions. Solutions are of major three types: gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, and solid solutions. What is meant by gaseous solutions? What is meant by liquid solutions? And what is meant by solid solutions? That we have to understand in detail. First of all, see this example which we have taken. In this example, water is 100 ml and sugar is only 2 gram. In this case, the water is in a larger quantity, hence it is acting as a solvent. The physical state of solvent is water, that is a liquid. Means it is a liquid, physical state of solvent is liquid, hence it is a liquid solution. Means the physical state decides the type of solution. If the physical state of solvent is solid, then we could say that are the solid solutions. If the physical state of the solvent is gas, then we could say that these are the gaseous solutions. Once again I am repeating, the state of the solvent, that is a substance which is in a larger quantity, decide the type of solutions. Then tell me, what is the type of this solution? In this case, liquid state is a state of solvent, hence it is a liquid solution. Alright. In this case, what type of this liquid solution is? Solid is dissolved into the liquid. This is the solid in liquid. This is example is glucose in water. This is a liquid solutions. In the same method, whenever the solvent is in a larger quantity as a gas, then that solutions are called gaseous solutions. And what are the another component as like sugar, if the components are lesser one, they are acting as a solute, then such type of solutions are called gaseous solutions. Gas in gas is a one type of gaseous solution in which gas is mixed with another gas. Another gas is in a larger quantity, that is acting as a solvent, and hence it is a gaseous solutions. Example is mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. In this case, nitrogen will be more. Then liquid in gas, chloroform vapors are present into the nitrogen gas. In that case, we could say that the given gaseous solution is nothing but a liquid in gas type solution. Solid in gas, camphor is a white crystalline substance. that is present in the form of its fumes or the solid camphor is in direct contact with the nitrogen gas. These are the examples of the gaseous solutions. Then see towards the liquid solutions. In the liquid solutions, liquid will be the in a larger quantity and that will act as a liquid. That will act as a solvent. Examples are gas in liquid. And the subtypes are gas in liquid. Example is oxygen in water. Whenever oxygen is dissolved into the water, then that type of solution is called liquid solutions. Why it is so? Because the water is in a larger quantity. The physical state of water is a liquid and hence is a liquid solutions. And gas is in a smaller quantity or lesser quantity that will act here as a solute. Another example of the liquid solutions is liquid in liquid. Ethanol, that is the alcohol in water. Whenever alcohol is added to the water, it is forming a homogeneous solution. In that case, solute and solvent are the liquid, but the liquid water in this case is in a larger quantity that will act the solvent, and hence the system is, or that type of solution is called liquid solutions of liquid and liquid type. Then solid in liquid. Whenever we are adding the glucose or the sugar into the water, where the water is in a more quantity, then that will act as a solvent and the physical state of that water is a liquid, and hence the given type of solution is a liquid solutions, that is solid in liquid, that is example glucose in water. Then the next solid solutions means what? This word itself indicates that solvent should be solid, major part should be solid, and the smaller parts, the lesser parts will be gas, liquid or solid. Whenever gas is in a lesser quantity and that will act as a solute, and solid will be a larger quantity acting as a solvent, that type of solid solutions are of the gas in solid type of solid solutions. Example, hydrogen gas is present into the palladium. Liquid in solid, amalgam of Hg, that is mercury, with sodium metal. Then solid in solid, copper is present in the gold or dissolved into the gold after its, whenever we are taking the copper in a lesser quantity and gold in a larger quantity, and whenever we are melting them beyond their melting point, after forming the molten mass of the copper and gold, they will get dissolved in it with each other completely and forming a solid solutions on cooling, in which solid Ag, solid gold, not Ag, gold, symbol of gold is Au, that is the solid part is gold, that is in a larger quantity, and hence it will act as a solvent and it will decide the physical state of the given solution, that is the solid solutions. In this way we have seen the different types of the solutions. Once again I am going to repeat it, summarize it. Solutions are the most important part of the routine life, because solutions are coming across of our life in routine life in the different activities. So solutions are nothing but the mixtures of two or more than two substances, but the substance in it which is in a larger quantity acting as solvent, and substance which is in a lesser quantity acting as a solute. Such a combination of two or more than two substances are nothing but the solutions. In this unit we are most concerned with the liquid solutions, which we will try to study in detail the liquid solutions with their properties as like the vapor pressure, colligative properties and so on. Thank you.